Hello my friend and welcome back. So today we're checking out the Sandisk Extreme. So this is a 32GB, speeds up to 100 MB. So check this out my friends. They give you the adapter for sticking in your computer or into a different camera. So you can put this SD card in your GoPro or any camera, and then this goes inside here. And then this can go in your computer, or this can actually go in another camera then. And we're also checking out this fast charge. Go ahead and pause the video if you would like to read more about it. Alright, let's get unboxing. Alright guys, so first up, we're checking out the SD. So this is microSD, microSDHC, microSDHC adapter. And you can use this in cameras that normally take a card that's this size. So what you do is you slide this right in here. And now this can work as a memory card for any camera that takes a memory card this size. Or you could put this in your computer to get the files off, or take the SD card out, the micro SD card out of here, and put it in your GoPro and any other camera that uses a micro SD card, and you can use it that way. Up over here, let's check out the fast charging port. So this is a Type-C smart charging port. You can go ahead and read the back if you'd like. Just pause the video. So this just plugs in your outlet, and then you plug in your Type-C cable. So you could do your Type-C to Type-C, or Type-C to a micro port and charge your devices. So great for fast charging your GoPro Heroes and other Type-C devices. There is a manual with this as well underneath here, but overall they're going to work out good. SD card's going to be great for our GoPro, and this is going to work great for charging our GoPro. Win, win, win.